battling against Mphela will got on this near side. Recent beats. 7 minutes gone by. Is this the moment when South Africa will open the scoring this afternoon? Ball whipped in. Initial header. On by
Linyona Sweden. Papadinya Mphela. Mwanane wa Paulsen. Kwa Bafana kwa jalo. Impa flaka se pahame. Neseke bone flaka wa pahame. Bathola matshwafo na kwa bona ya tla. Isa bua Mkhayane ya Sweden go phulika ka kwano Carlos Crush asalta sa khatelo e makatsa.
That's a good bowler. Has been impressive in recent times. He's got some work to do here and does it ever so well. Already 2 in the box waiting for the delivery, and it comes looking for John Dahl Thomason. Finding Aaron McGuire. Their warm-ups, of course, did the same against Guatemala as the ball is whipped in and Kunet as well in the air. John that followed that clash with Rankia. His home stadium. SuperSport United have done so much. That's 4 inside the box. Modise and Bina lurking outside of it. Denmark with just about everybody back defending, but for 2 players. Anderson's done well. His feet. Chance now for a counter-attack. It's 4-3 in favor of Denmark. Is that pass good enough? Answer is no. An emphatic no. Shabalala. Back to Twala. Mphela looks to find the right sort of movement. Always looking for a run out today to show what he can do in the competition for places, of course. Having a group with the likes of France and South Africa. Here they are now, some positive movements out on their far side. Early delivery. Was that a late challenge? The officials don't seem to think so. Payne from Everton. Spent 6 months as a teammate of McCarthy's before he joined West Ham United. Hours leading up to the kickoff. Really had their disky dance going. The Danes now try the ball over the top. Once again, no problems. Of course, the football-loving public of what is the Rainbow Nation. Out in their famous golden green. It is the norm these days. Interesting little ball now. Denmark finding some space in attacking areas. Rankia looks for the byline, being watched closely by Gatland. That's why to get the ball in. And they put a little too much on it. Twala, Africa to break with pace. And they come forward with the pace of Shabalala. Modise asking for the cross-field ball. Shabalala more than happy to oblige. Flag stays down in the end of... And they do check that ball wide. Great movement out on their far side. Now, how good's the ball in? Not good enough. Kunet. But technically, the Danes looking to build from the back. They lose it in a dangerous area. Good work by Dechashri. Mphela now needs movement off the ball. Dechashri, 2 in the box. Make that 3. Modise! Doesn't score too many with his head. That's the sort of break South Africa. Best chance of the game so far for South Africa. Good ball played across. Modise could have played it back in for Stephen Pienaar. And for internationals at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This match kicking off at 2:15. With some momentum in this attack. To get numbers forward. One of the furthest forward is Shabalala. Leaves his man down on the ground. Just 1 in the box. Mphela's the man. But Anderson Denmark with plenty push forward. Looking for Agahu. National goals for Denmark. Well then to beat 2 men onto
early. But before that we've closed the Danes down really well.
But he's with the shots! Narrowly wide then. Well, Modise has come the closest. Good job of keeping the ball moving here, the South Africans, while the Danes look to close down right from the front of the game for South Africa. Modise also had a couple. That's a kill on this near side here by Rankia. Goes for the shot from range. Shabalala. The turn, Modise. Again amongst those pushing forward. Shabalala combining well with Bina. Now, good overlapping run out on that far side. The delivery in. Defended then by Box as well. First corner of the match. 38 minutes gone by. Again, just 4 in the box. 2 lurking outside. In swinger from Shabalala. Not good enough. His 78th cap. also in the 70s. That's interesting from South Africa, part of the starting 11 here this afternoon. The nod to get that starting berth. Chance for South Africa, is it? Mphela finds the woodwork. Flag had gone up anyway, it wouldn't have counted. Frustration then for the 11th few and far between so far in this match. Start of the second half here in this friendly match between South Africa and Denmark. At the Super Stadium, Matthew Dyer, the man in charge of this game, hasn't up to this point showed a card, but gets the second half underway with Denmark not moving with John Dahl Thomason. Wall just out of the South African box. Everybody back defending here for those in green and gold. With a slight problem here, which is the sun directly in his eyes. He's having to use his hand then to get some cover. Ball in, far post to Dumoulin-Kune. Montreal, some good movement out on that far side. Closely watched number 8 jersey for Denmark. Taking the throw, finding Jensen. Come out to turn, find the byline in the end. Ran out. Oh, still very much in the center of the park. Mphela now looks to the movements of Mphela. And it's that man, Daniel Egger. Shabalala with the corner. Mokwena's there on the far post. No one picking him up, but life was made a little. Danes looking to stretch that South African defense. In the end, Dumoulin-Kune is there together and release quickly. Mphela sees the defensive error for once from Daniel Egger. Now, waiting for numbers to get into the box. Pina is one of those. These pleasantries with Per Caldwell wearing the number 13 jersey as the shot comes in. He produces a decent save then. It's in centre back. Those debates will be quickly put to rest with the displays that Twala has put forward over the last few weeks. Ball in.
Well, so sad too, sorry. Catalyst.
As the Danes now lurking in dangerous areas with dangerous intent. Along with Christian Pelson, of course, played their club football in Italy of those out on the field for Denmark. But he says ball in. Anderson choosing not to hold on to it, of course, goal. Again, plenty back in defensive areas. Still, it's the Danish that find the openings. The cutback shot took a deflection. Easy for Dumoulin-Kune. It was an important thing. Would be to take that impressive streak without a defeat to that opening game against Mexico. Ball. Mphela. Shabalala with a nice turn. Now can he get the shot on target? Takes a slight deflection, and Anderson did also well too. Chance here. Mphela with his pace, causing problems and producing the save out of Anderson. An African team in their group. Cameroon. They will face respected and feared within the African continent as Modise turns and shoots. Moriri, Modise, Letulunyan, Mphela asking for the ball behind the defense. He's got the pace to get there now. Can he make it 1-0? Yes, he can. South Africa 1, Denmark no. Mphela, who else killing them?
Ntlholela motheo ntho ena ke tsamaya ka ona tjena Sizo Mabena re ke re ho wena o tha Jamanna how
sina Mphela Denmark ngemzansi bona awulaye Mphela.
He's got the pace, he's got the finishing touch, but Little Onyani was the man with the pass, a killer pass for Killer to do what he does best, find the back of the net. The Super Stadium finally coming to life in South Africa, looking to take that record straight to the 11th of June.
Tshilonyana o bapetse bolo e tswile matsoho sehla kaofela a dumela hore he's a good player.
Under 6 minutes remain. Denmark with the set piece. Numbers push forward. Kuhne's come out a long way in no man's land. Trouble here for South Africa.
Munatikuna, 64 games live.
3 TV channels.
Radio station in Tao Kaofela. Taudi Tsibang. Kalimela hao.
Great save by Kuhne. Super save then to deny Denmark what looked a sure equalizer in the dying moments of the game.
That is correct, Castillo.
Next section as well, and that will be it as far as Matthew Dyer is concerned. South Africa notch up yet another win and will take an impressive 12-game unbeaten.